Here we have men at work in Galle Fort. They are preparing a new walkway in the look of an ancient stone walkway, and they're including some modern features which are electrical wires. So they have to prepare some passage for the wires first. Let's see it there. The main thing is that they are making these foundations now. They're making foundation. They're using the usual stuff to make foundation, which is the split stone. There's some water, the sand. They have some carrying buckets, very interesting carrying buckets here. That concrete mixer. And here we have a bucket. Thank you, sir. Kudaki Stuti. So this is for the small repairs probably, or to fix something level. Oh, here we have some very nice choice of flat stones, which are for the covering of the walkway, top part. Some very nice wheelbarrow, which already has a lot of duty hours. And here's the man putting the rope for making everything in a line. Yeah. So despite all the corona problems in the world, the people are here continuing to make that fort more and more nice for the use by locals and tourists. So we can consider this as an encouraging view that one day things will be again easy to be visited. Here is something else very interesting, at least for me. Look at the nice stone wall they are building here. Now we have the pile of rocks which is from the local quarries. This rock you can also see on some of my other videos. We're using the same one to build a villa. Private villa, and here is this new wall which maybe corresponds to some old plans, but anyhow it is made in a way that it is looking exactly like the old walls had to be. Some steps, interesting steps. Now on this part they are using some Portland cement, because I guess that the visible lime mortar parts, or maybe it's lime mortar, will be on the more visible parts. Or maybe this is just for putting the soil here and then later remove it, no idea. Anyhow. So we are in the Galle Fort. Here you can see even some remains of a colonial building still, which has been slightly modified. It will be one day given back to the tourism authority, I presume, to make it look really ancient again. And here's, okay.